I'm showing off my personal studio Blender Python tool stack. The first tool is Hardsurf, which is my hard surface modeling tool. I use it to get quick forms and shaping for whatever I'm going to be building, usually in the gray boxing and finalizing of forms for game and synthetic data. I built the workflow to be non-destructive, mostly focusing on cutters to have clean edits that can be both hidden, edited further, such as bevels, arrays, etc. I wanted it to be non-destructive so that you could also build out presets that could be utilized in further workflows later on down the line, and also build out your own custom library for future use, as you can see here. And this tool flows into then Dreamscape, which is voxel-based SDF modeling. I use this to fuse meshes together, usually this being either separate meshes or a singular mesh coming from Hardsurf. There are many settings to correct the fuse between the models, smoothing, how many voxels that you're going to use for the volume, etc. Also has settings for getting surface damage and natural growth and such, as you can see. A handy thing with the natural growth and damage, and it all gets saved out as vertex groups, so you can utilize them later, such as the growth one can be used for snow, etc. And being all non-destructive, you can then flow right into Surface Dreamer. Surface Dreamer has mostly a focus on being a custom material library that I utilize myself, or friends, whoever likes to use it. And then the way that it builds out custom materials is through texture group detection. So you can have either base color, normal, and then all the individual maps, roughness, metallic, height, AO, etc. Or you can have packed maps. I utilize ORM most of the time. It can also bake off mesh maps that can be utilized inside of Unreal or Unity or whatever your engine or platform is going to be. It mostly allows me to create just a custom library that I can quickly convert from Substance Designer directly into Blender in a fast pace. And then Transmute is my general model cleanup, exporting, and utilities tool. It allows for, the biggest thing is it allows for quick porting between Blender and Unreal and Unity, etc. Has much of my cleanup process for model checking, naming conventions, and texel density. These can all be set in config files outside of just your Blender interface. Has a focus on quick collision and LOD creation. Also has tools for manipulating vertex colors, pivots, cleanup, placement, and mesh quality reporting. The tools altogether provide a fast-paced gray boxing solution. Allows me to go from basically hard surface, silhouetting, environment creation, etc., and quickly export it into whatever my platform is. Thank you.